Yeah, welcome to the first part of a small set of videos I'm doing, very short, just a 164 diecast. Let's crack it open, various brands. First one for this one, we're going to do Majorette VW T6. I think it's about a 2018 release. Very nice. Their streetcar series, which is their budget, as you can see, £1. Budget series. So we'll crack it open, take a bit of a look. There's the packaging. There's quite a bit of very small writing on there, it doesn't really tell you a lot. A little bit about brand names. But here it is, red and white. Nice paint. Lens detail. Come on, focus. Nice VW sign on the front. Detailed grills. VW and the name on the back. Tow hitch, metal body, plastic base. Says it's 161 scale, I believe, in action. Definitely a nice casting for a majorette. Yeah, there's the first one. Thanks for looking. It's a nice casting, and we'll have a look at another one in the next video. Cheers.